Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the language in your keyboard and set your primary language as the default language. So without any further ado, let's get started. First is at the bottom search bar, type language. Okay, the best match would be language settings, but in our case, we'll be going to edit language and keyboard and click the forward arrow, then open. So the moment you click on open, you will be redirected here at the time and language and region settings. And in order to add a language, your primary language, just click this add a language icon. And here, you can simply search the language that you prefer. For example, let's go with English. And it has this different types of English depending on what country. It goes with Canada, Belize, Caribbean, India, New Zealand, Malaysia. So let's go first with English Australia and click on next and install. Okay? The moment you click that, language pack to it on downloading. Okay? And you just have to click this three dots here. And once this language pack is done, click the three dots here and go for move up. Okay? So once you clicked it, English Australia will be your primary language. Okay? So once done, just have to close this, restart your computer, and your primary language will be in default. Okay? So that's it. That's how easy to change the language in keyboard. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.